Here's the cairn from FR12 to the connector trail. I cleared a path through the cat's claw and desert grass, miscellaneous plants. I had to do quite a bit of work here at the wash crossing. And there's a cairn right here, and the trail goes up. 10:05 a.m. That's the rock formation from which I turned back 2 days ago. Here's a panorama looking west and north towards frontage road 12, and the connector trail is down there in the valley. This is the area which I'm heading for. I've come from up there looking south west, come to this rock formation with a hole in it. I don't know if I'm at the pool near the Palo Verde Arch or not. But it sure does look like it. I'll have to see what's on the other side. Circling around the pond took me to this dirt road. I don't know the name or number of it, but it's headed in the general direction for which I want to go. How long I stay with it depends on what's on the other side of that hill. I've been hiking a road that started on the other side of that valley. This is that road, but it's heading in the wrong direction from which I wish to go. Well, this road leads to a wash. Maybe I'll recognize this wash. Thinking it's the Cottonwood wash. It's 11:20. I'm headed from that direction. Past this colorful rock wall formation. Looking for a trail, or looking for a road sign. Time is going on 11:30. I'm hiking on this road looking for some landmarks, and by golly, I found one. Would you look at that? You remember this? It's the cairn lead to the connector trail leading to the Slick Rock Trail up there. I've made a loop